Welcome to this tutorial on how to use MYOB Team, a cloud-based workforce management solution designed to streamline employee management, payroll, and time tracking. First, let's start with the basics. MYOB Team allows you to manage your employees' information, including contact details, pay rates, and working hours. To get started, log into your MYOB Team account and navigate to the dashboard, where you can view an overview of your team, including who's working and who's not. To add a new employee, click on the Add Employee button and fill in the required information, including name, email address, and pay rate. You can also assign a role to the employee, which determines their access levels and permissions within the system. Next, let's look at time tracking. MYOB Team allows employees to clock in and out using the mobile app or the web portal. To set up time tracking, navigate to the time tracking settings and select the pay cycle and rules that apply to your business. Employees can then clock in and out using the app, and their hours will be automatically recorded and synced with the payroll system. Payroll is another key feature of MYOB Team. The system allows you to manage employee pay, including calculating pay, deducting taxes, and generating pay slips. To run payroll, navigate to the Payroll tab and select the pay cycle and employees you want to pay. The system will then calculate the pay and generate pay slips, which can be emailed to employees or printed. Another important feature of MYOB Team is reporting. The system provides a range of reports, including time tracking, payroll, and employee details. These reports can be used to gain insights into your business, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Best practices for using MYOB Team include setting up clear pay rules and time tracking settings, regularly reviewing and updating employee information, and using the reporting features to monitor and optimize your business. It's also important to ensure that all employees are trained on how to use the system and that you have a clear understanding of the payroll and time tracking rules that apply to your business. In conclusion, MYOB Team is a powerful tool for managing your workforce, payroll, and time tracking. By following these steps and best practices, you can streamline your employee management processes, reduce errors, and gain valuable insights into your business. With its intuitive interface and robust features, MYOB Team is an ideal solution for businesses of all sizes.